Hello, little stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, welcome back to your math classes. Again, I'm your mathematics educator here with a new chapter, which is chapter number 16 multiplication. So, today we are going to learn multiplication. When we hear multiplication, it means it is a kind of repeated addition. So, let's find how we can calculate our question with the help of multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. So, 2 added 2 times gives 4. This can be written as 2 multiply. This sign refer as multiply. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. This sign is the symbol of multiplication. This cross sign, this sign is the symbol of multiplication. We say that 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 is read as 2 twos are 4. So it means 2 twos are. When we add 2 and 2, what we get? We get 4. Now 3 threes are. So how many threes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means 3 fours are 12. The addition fact is written in the form of multiplication fact as 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. If you students if you learn the table of 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will be easy for you to calculate your question with the help of multiplication. Otherwise, you need some extra concentration while I'm explaining you. It is read as 4 threes are 12. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So it reads as 3 times 5 are 14. So this addition a fact is written as multiplication fact. It is read as 3 fives are 15. Now complete the following by writing correct numbers in the boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2, which means 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 times 2 times 5 means 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Next we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we have 4, which means 4 multiplied by 3. So 4 threes are 12. It means 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4, which means 3 multiplied by 4. So 3 fours are 12. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 5, which means 6 multiplied by 5. 6 times 5 is 30. You can add this also. Okay, it's totally up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3, which means 7 multiplied by 3. So when we add 7 3 times, so we get 21. Next, 1, 2. So 2 times 7, which means 7 twos are 14. So in a similar way, you have to complete this table, students, and write your answer in the boxes. Write as repeated addition and solve. 2 multiplied by 6 is 6 plus 6. 3 multiplied by 8 is 8. 3 times 8, which is 24. Now 4 multiplied by 5, which means 4 times 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5 plus 10. So the answer will be 20. Next, 3 multiplied by 7. So it means 3 times 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. So students, what you have to do? You have to complete this chart with the help of, so you have to complete this table in the same, okay. So you have to complete this boxes, this exercise with the help of my explanation in the same way as I do. Now multiplication tables. Look and learn. So you have to learn this table. So just don't look at, also learn it. 1 is equal to 1, which means 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, which means 2 multiplied by 1 is t. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, which means 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4, which means 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. It means this is the table of 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we have 2's table, which means 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 twos are 16. 9 twos are 18 and 10 twos are 20. So this is the table of 2. In the same way we have a table of 3. 1 threes are 3. 2 threes are 6. 3 threes are 9. 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are 15. 6 threes are 18. 7 threes are 21. 8 threes are 24, 9 threes are 27, 10 threes are 30. Next, we have 4's table. So, students, first you have to read this, then try to learn this, okay? 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16. All of you repeat after me. 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24, 7 fours are 28, 8 fours are 32, 9 fours are 36, 10 fours are 40. Great. Next we have multiplication table of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5. 2 fives are 10. 3 fives are 15. 4 fives are 20. 5 fives are 25. 6 fives are 30. 7 fives are 35. 8 fives are 40. 9 fives are 45. 10 fives are 50. Great. So I hope so you repeat after me and you have a small hint how you have to read this and how can you easily learn this. Next, filling the blank boxes with the correct number. So 3 5s are, you can refer the table as well if you didn't learn to if you don't remember till now what are the tables. So 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15, 7 twos are 14, 8 ones are 8, 10 threes are 30, 7 fours are 28, 8 fives are 40. So in same way you have to solve the rest of the questions. Now fill in the correct numbers. 5 fours are 20, 7 fives are 35. Well done. Now when we have what we get here if our answer is 8. So 6 threes are 18, 9 fours are 36. So in that way you can solve your question. Now 5 fives are 25. 8 threes are 24. Solve the following word problems on multiplication. There are 6 vases. Each vase has 5 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? So total we have 6 vases and in each vase we have 5 flowers. It means 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Next, a car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in 8 such cars? So 4 multiply by 8. Next, Tanvi has 9 friends. She wants to give 3 sweets to each. How many sweets does Tanvi need? So if she have 9 friends and if she wants to distribute 3, so 9 multiplied by 3, she needs total 27 sweets. A pen costs 5. What is the cost of 7 such pens? So students, I hope so you understood till now. So you try the question to solve this with the help of my explanation in the same way as I do. Next, you have your activity which you have to perform in your maths lab, in your mathematics lab. Then your chapter is complete here and I hope so student this chapter is clear to you and you like this chapter. So students, now I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day.